I'm Merwin Arsina, 18 years old, Bachelor of Science Applied Mathematics, first year student in CSU. Being a freshman student in CSU, my lot of challenges is time management and academic pressure because I'm still adjusting my time to study and finish my activity and my personal responsibilities. Unlike my senior high level, I have lot of time. Being a college student in CSU, my priorities now is to focus my study and to achieve my goal. For me, this challenge is how you handle or manage your time being a college student. CSU1 rules and responsibilities that was affected to me is being maturity and responsibility. The last few weeks, I lot of activity miss because I'm still adjusting my time why I cannot submit my activity, but I but I try my best to participate and cooperate the activity. Creative and communication. To communicate the others is important to me to grow as a student and to survive my college journey. Being a student, I'm always be positive in whatever challenge comes my way at, and enjoying my time at CSU. I'm going to be confidence and adaptation, new skills, and I'm found myself less stressed and more organized and more confidence to continue my journey and to improve myself and learn more knowledge and take the opportunities. And that's all. Thank you.